Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Translator feature in Canva with the free version. So it's quite simple. As you might know, on the left side you have all those buttons and you also have the button for apps. And then you just type in Translate Now and click on the app. And now you click on Open. And here you have a translator. Super easy. For example, let's just write a Spanish word, hola. Click on translate. And then we get it into English. And it's already in our design then. As you can see here, it's hello. Which is super nice and good to have. You can translate it in quite a lot of languages. I mean, it's not as good as Google Translator, but it's still really good, and it's especially quite easy to use because you just have it in Canva. And yeah, you can also copy it to your clipboard or add it to this design. I hope this short tutorial helped you and you can benefit from the learnings. Thank you so much. Bye.